gasping in the shallow graves of the remaining mud. The birds move with surgical precision, harvesting the weak in a relentless display of nature's indifference. In this furnace, the buffet is open, and for these victims, hope is vanishing along with the water. But the redtails are fighters. They huddle together, piling their massive bodies into the thick, oxygen-deprived sludge. This isn't just for company. They are fighting to preserve the last microscopic layers of moisture against their skin to stay alive. In this hellscape, mercy is non-existent. Driven by a primal, soul-crushing hunger, a massive redtail turns on a smaller fish trapped on the surface. On dry land, there are no friends, only predators and prey. This is a war for every single breath. These giants have been forced into biological defiance, gulping raw atmospheric air into modified swim bladders. Their gills are now useless, clogged with the very earth that birthed them. To survive the blistering heat, they cake themselves in sun-dried mud, creating a cooling armor against the furnace-like sun. They are suffocating in slow motion, holding on through one agonizing gasp at a time. A new player enters the arena, an electric eel. Like the catfish, this living battery is pinned down by the receding tide, trapped in a shrinking trench of liquid clay. Starvation has stripped away the catfish's fear. Sensing the eel's presence, the desperate redtails move in. In their clouded eyes, this isn't a threat. It's a high-energy meal. The strike. The catfish lunge, but the eel hits back with 600 volts of lightning. Blue arcs dance through the mud as the eel releases its lethal defense, paralyzing the attackers instantly. The battlefield falls silent. The catfish lie motionless, short-circuited by the eel's fury. But there is no winner here. The eel remains a prisoner of the drought, and its cage is turning to stone. Even on the brink of collapse, the redtail's greed is legendary. They thrash for the final scream.